India's Ministry of Defence has rolled out a 15-year technology perspective and capability roadmap, committing massive investments across land, sea, air, space, cyber, and electronic warfare to boost multi-domain combat readiness and deterrence. The plan, reinforced at the RAN Samvad 2025 seminar where Defence Minister Rajnath Singh released the Joint Doctrine for Multi-Domain Operations, emphasizes integrated warfare, jointness, preparedness, and self-reliance under the Make in India drive. Anchored firmly in self-reliance, this roadmap outlines acquisition and development plans for over 200 sophisticated systems, including nuclear propulsion for warships, next-generation battle tanks, stealth unmanned aerial vehicle, hypersonic missiles, laser and electromagnetic weapons, and advanced drone and anti-drone systems, serving as a foundational guide for domestic industry and research and development institutions. The Navy's transformational trajectory includes deploying 10 nuclear propulsion systems for new aircraft carriers and surface combatants, potentially extending India's carrier fleet, and equipping them with electromagnetic aircraft launch systems and warship classes including destroyers, corvettes and autonomous underwater vehicles. Meanwhile, the Army is set to retire legacy platforms in favor of 1,800 future-ready combat vehicles and 400 high-altitude light tanks, integrated seamlessly into networked formations with unmanned aerial vehicles, loitering munitions, robotic counter-IED systems, and advanced precision munitions, emphasizing hybrid warfare readiness. In the skies and beyond, the Air Force will extend its intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, reconnaissance and strike envelope through platforms such as stratospheric airships, high-altitude pseudo-satellites, stealth unmanned aerial vehicle, and directed energy systems like tactical high-energy lasers, underlining India's push into futuristic aerial and space-based warfare. A formidable offensive edge comes with plans for over 500 hypersonic missiles powered by scramjets, complemented by detection systems for incoming threats, drawing on breakthroughs like the indigenous Extended Trajectory Long Duration Hypersonic Cruise Missile, which boasts Mach 8 speeds, 1,500 km range, and radar-evading flight paths. Beyond hardware, the roadmap reinforces vital cross-domain resilience, with investments in AI-enabled cyber tools, quantum communications, satellite servicing and refueling, modular sensors, multiple global navigation satellite systems, and electronic denial zones, cementing an integrated battle network across space, cyber, and cognitive fronts. In essence, India's 15-year defense vision signifies a profound leap, combining advanced strategic deterrence capabilities, cutting-edge technological innovation, and deep industrial ecosystem alignment to evolve into a technologically dominant, self-reliant, multi-domain military power ready to meet the demands of future warfare.